This 2019 Cruiser RV Radiance Ultra Lite 32BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Cruiser RV is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.